Do you want this type of quality in your videos to make them eye-catchy and attractive? So today I'm going to show you some amazing and secret setting of Topaz and After Effects to make something like this. So let's get started. First, make sure you align your scenes, and then I'm going to create an adjustment layer. And on the adjustment layer, I'm going to add the effect called as sharpen. This one. And in this effect, I'm going to change one settings, which is small detail size. I'm going to set it at 1. Then I'm going to show you the difference. Okay, then I'm going to add the second effect, which is called looks, magic bullet looks. Make sure you have these plugins. In the magic bullet, I'm going to add the clarity effect and increase the clarity up to 100. Don't worry, I will set it back, and change the strength to 20. It will make it good. As you can see, it's adding clarity and detail in our scene. Okay, after that just close it, and now I'm going to render this scene at lossless AVI. After that, I'm going to take the clip to Topaz, and here we need to select the AI model, which is Artemis. In Artemis, I'm going to select the low quality V13. You can see what it does. It tries to make your clip remux. So export this, and then I'm going to import the same clip in Topaz again, and now we're going to use the Proteus V3 and manual settings. Make sure you select 2x to make it 4K resolution. Then I'm going to change the settings. You can guys copy my settings or make your own, depend on you, but this setting is pretty nice, trust me. Okay, so let me show you the preview. As you can see, it makes a super nice detail on your video. I'm going to reduce the sharpness a bit so we can make a good CC after that. I hope you guys like this detail, so just export this. After exporting, I will take this clip back to the After Effects, and you can see the difference before and after. Huge difference, right? Then I'm going to make a color correction for you guys, as always, a free color correction. So this is a complete before and after. So I hope you guys like this color correction, and also make sure to follow all the steps to get this quality. So that's all, and make sure to like and subscribe. See you later.